Hello grade 7! This time, we will discuss the fundamental operations on integers. Our objectives: add and subtract integers using number line, algebra tiles, and general rules. Let us have the addition of integers. First, let us use number line. So we have different steps to add integers using number line. First, locate the reference point in a number line. Second, move to the right if the number being added is positive. Third, move to the left if the number being added is negative. And last, the sum is the point where you stopped. So using a number line, when you are going to the right, that is a positive. And when you are going to the left, that is negative. Let us answer the following examples. First, we have positive 2 plus positive 6. Okay, on our number line, first, locate the positive 2. This is our reference point. Then, move tayo ng 6 or 6 units to the right because we have positive 6. Then, mag-i-stop tayo kay positive 8. Now, the sum of positive 2 and positive 6 is positive 8. Next 2, we have negative 2 plus negative 4. The reference point is negative 2. Then move tayo to the left because we have negative or that is negative. So mag-i-stop tayo kay negative 6. So the sum of negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. 3. So we have negative 5 plus positive 6. The reference point is negative 5. Move tayo to the right because that is positive 6. Stop tayo kay positive 1. So the sum of negative 5 and positive 6 is positive 1. Next, number 4. We have positive 3 plus negative 6. The reference point is positive 3. Move to the left because we have negative 6. Nag-stop kay negative 3. So the sum of positive 3 and negative 6 is negative 3. Now, let us add integers using algebra tiles. So kapag ginagamitan natin ng algebra tiles, dapat meron tayong dalawang kulay to identify positive and negative integers. So example, the positive is blue and negative is green. Ulitin natin, kapag positive, blue, negative, green. So when we add positive and negative, that is 0. Tandaan, kapag pinag-add yung dalawang kulay o magkaibang kulay, that is 0. Let us get the sum of the following integers using algebra tiles. First, we have positive 2 plus positive 6. Kanina, yung dalawang kulay, blue for positive, green for negative. Tandaan lang natin sila kasi yan ang gagamitin natin sa algebra tiles. Maglagay tayo ng dalawang blue for positive 2, 6 na blue for positive 6. So, since walang pair na magkaiba ang kulay, bilangin lang natin silang lahat. Therefore, the sum of positive 2 and positive 6 is positive 8. Next 2, we have negative 2 plus negative 4. Ang green ay negative. So maglalagay tayo ng dalawang green for negative 2 at 4 na green for negative 4. Again, wala na namang pair na magkaiba ang kulay. Ibig sabihin, bibilangin lang natin sila lahat. So we have 2, 4, 6. So since green, we have negative 6. Therefore, the sum of negative 2 and negative 4 is negative 6. Next, 3. Negative 5 plus positive 6. Magkaiba ang signs, ibig sabihin, magkaiba din ang kulay. Maglalagay tayo ng 5 green at 6 na blue. So, meron na tayong pairs na magkaiba ang kulay, tanggalin natin sila lahat. kailangan isang kulay lang ang matitira. So, ang natira ay blue, therefore, negative 5 plus positive 6 is equal to positive 1. Last, number 4. We have 3 or positive 3 plus negative 6. Lalagay tayo ng 3 blue, 6 na green, then ika-cancel natin lahat noong magkaiba ang kulay. So, ang natira ay 3 green. Therefore, the sum of positive 3 and negative 6 is negative 3. Pwede natin gamitin ng rules kung nahihirapan tayo sa algebra tiles at number line kapag kinukuha ang sum ng integers. First, when we have same sign, add the absolute value of the addends, then affix the common sign. And different signs, subtract the absolute value of the addends, then affix the sign of the addend with the greater absolute value. Let us apply the rules for addition of integers. First, positive 2 plus positive 6. Parehas positive, so i-apply natin yung rule ng same sign. Add the absolute value of the addends, then affix the common sign. So, ang magiging sagot ay positive. And then add silang dalawa, positive 2 plus positive 6 is positive 8. Next, 2. Negative 2 plus negative 4. Again, parehas negative, same sign. Ang sagot ay negative. Then add, we have negative 6. Number 3, negative 5 plus positive 6. Magkaiba ang sign, ibig sabihin, gagamitin natin yung rule sa different signs. Subtract the absolute value of the addends, then affix the sign of the addend with the greater absolute value. So, isusubtract natin sila since magkaiba ang sign. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then, kunin natin yung sign ng malaking number which is 6, positive. The answer is positive 1. Next, 4. Positive 3 plus negative 6. Magkaiba ulit ang sign. Subtract. That is 3. Ang sign ng malaking number ay negative. That's why the answer is negative 3. Next is subtraction of integers. So kapag kinukuha natin ang difference ng integers using number line, kabaliktaran siya ng addition of integers. Sa addition, kapag magmumove ka papunta sa kanan, that is positive. Magmumove ka papunta sa kaliwa, negative. So, titingnan natin ang subtraction ngayon as a reverse of addition. Okay? So, kapag ka positive, magmumove ka papunta sa kaliwa. Pag negative, magmumove ka sa kanan. Okay? So, first, we have 2 minus 5. Ang reference point ay positive 2. Next, magma-minus daw tayo ng 5. Okay? So, ang 5 natin is positive. So, move tayo sa kaliwa ng 5. Babagsak tayo kay negative 3. Therefore, the difference of 2 and 5 is negative 3. Next, 2. We have negative 2 minus negative 5. Ang reference point ay negative 2. Since ito ay negative, punta tayo sa kanan. So, magmamove tayo ng 5, mag-i-stop tayo kay positive 3. So, therefore, the difference of negative 2 and negative 5 is positive 3. Next, 3. Negative 2 minus positive 5. Reference point, negative 2. Move tayo sa kaliwa ng 5. Makukuha natin ay negative 7. Therefore, negative 2 minus positive 5 is equal to negative 7. Last, number 4. 2 minus negative 5. So, reference point, positive 2. Move tayo ng 5 papunta sa kanan kasi negative. So, babagsak tayo kay 7. So, positive 2 minus negative 5 is equal to positive 7. Now let us get the difference of integers using algebra tiles. First, we have positive 2 minus positive 5. So ang rule, blue for positive, green for negative. Same pa rin ang gagamitin natin. So lagay tayo ng dalawang blue for positive 2, then ibabawas daw natin yung 5 positive. Since hindi pwede, kasi positive 2 lang tayo meron, so doon natin gagamitin yung binigay natin kanina na positive at negative. So kapag pinag-add natin si positive at negative, that is 0. So hindi pa rin siya makaka-apekto dun sa problem. So dagdag tayo ng 3 pairs ng different colors. So kumpleto na ngayon yung positive 5. So since kumpleto na siya ngayon, cancel natin sila. So ang matitira ay 3 green. Therefore, the difference of 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Next, 2. We have negative 2 minus negative 5. So maglalagay tayo ng dalawang green for negative 2. Again, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-subtract yung negative 5 doon sa negative 2. Lagay ulit tayo ng 3 pairs para makompleto yung 5 negative. So tanggalin natin ngayon si negative. Ang matitira ay positive. So we have positive 3. Next, 3. Negative 2 minus 5 or positive 5. So ganun pa rin gagawin. Naglagay tayo ng dalawang green for negative 2. So ibabawas daw natin si positive 5. So anong gagawin natin? Kailangan makakuha tayo ng 5 positive. So maglalagay tayo ng 5 pairs. Okay? So since meron na tayong 5 pairs, ika-cancel natin ngayon yung positive. Kasi positive yung nilagay natin. Okay? So ang matitira ay negative 7. Last, number 4. We have positive 2 minus negative 5. Lagay tayo ng dalawang blue. Then, kailangan din natin kumuha ng 5 negative. So, maglalagay ulit tayo ng 5 pairs. So, ngayon, tatanggalin natin si negative 5. So, ang makukuha natin is positive 7. Now, let us get the difference of two integers using rules. To get the difference of two integers, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, kapag na-change na natin yung sign ng subtrahend, gagamitin na nating rule ay addition. Apply natin yung rule ni subtraction. Okay, first, we have 2 minus 5. So, ang rule, change the sign of the subtrahend. Ang subtrahend natin ay positive 5. Papalitan natin siya ng negative 5, then proceed to addition. Now, we have 2 plus negative 5. So, ang rule na susundin natin ngayon ay addition of integers. Since magkaiba ang signs, ang gagawin natin subtract, then kukopyahin natin o kukunin natin yung sign ng malaking number, which is negative. The answer is negative 3. Next, 2. We have negative 2 minus negative 5. So, change the sign of the subtrahend, negative 5, magiging positive 5, and then proceed to addition. We have now negative 2 plus positive 5. So, ang rule magkaiba ang sign, that is subtract or subtraction. So, we have 3, and then copy the sign of the biggest number, which is 5, positive. The answer is positive 3. Next, 3. We have negative 2 minus positive 5. Change the sign of positive 5, magiging negative 5, then proceed to addition. Now, same sign na, i-add natin silang dalawa, then affix the common sign. Okay? So, the answer is negative 7. How about 4? 2 minus negative 5. Negative 5 gagawing positive, then proceed to addition. Positive 2 plus positive 5, parehas ang sign, positive, so the answer is positive 7.